Now we will meditate with the 6 affirmations. When I will say the affirmation, in your minds you will say yes, yes 6 times. Internalize the affirmation. Live that affirmation while you are saying yes. Let it run in your blood, in your veins and arteries. Become one with the affirmation. Let us start. I am healthy. Yes. 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 I am wealthy. Yes. 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 Yes, I am. Yes, of course I am. I am wise. Yes. 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 Of course, yes. I have a large heart. I give everybody space. I don't indulge in arguments because I am wise. Yes. I am peaceful. Yes, I am. Yes, certainly I am. Yes, for sure I am. Yes. Yes. In this moment and forever, I am peaceful. Yes. I am loving. Yes. I am. Yes, of course I am loving to one and all. Yes, yes, I am. I am love. I am kindness. I am compassion. Yes, I am. I am free. Yes, I am free. Yes, I am free of the bondage of past and future. Yes, I am free from all expectations, fixations, obsessions. Yes, I am free. Of course, I am free now and forever. Yes, I am free. Let us thank the universe for all its bounties. Let us thank everybody in our lives. Let us thank nature for all that it gives us unconditionally. Let us thank ourselves for being such a beautiful light of peace and love and freedom. Let us thank God. Thank you, thank you, thank you. May our life be filled with peace, joy, and love, and wisdom, the wisdom of the self.